it's gonna be a monster Jeep.
A monster Jeep?
A monster Jeep.
So it's probably pretty easy getting 35s on a Jeep, but getting them in a Jeep.
It's hot out here.
Yeah, it's hot outside. It's Texas. It does that.
Yeah. That stinks.
So the two really cool things about this Jeep is it gets good gas mileage and it's pretty peppy. So we're going to put big tires on it and make it get crappy gas mileage and slow. These are 35 1250s.
They stink.
They stink. They're 35 1250s. It's a Hada HD 878 RT.
You smell them.
I don't want to smell them.
You look like it.
So we're going to get worse gas mileage, we're going to be a lot slower, but we're going to look cool. And that's all that really matters, right? Doesn't feel too much different.
Not too much. It is a little bit
Wonky here on the steering wheel. We'll check the re-torque everything when we get back to the house. So if you're in Tomball and you want to get wheels and tires mounted, go to Vaquero Tires on Spring Cypress. I will put a picture here in just a second right there. We'll put a picture right there. But they did great work. I got my hands a little dirty. That's always good. But support your local small business. We'll give you an update on how we like the tires in another video. We'll do a miles per gallon thing and see how much they do. I'll also weigh the tires to see which one weighs how much the difference is. And if you want to see that, you're gonna have to wait for the next video. So subscribe below, hit the little bell, hit the like button, comment how cool the Jeep looks, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, Cayman.
Bye. I